Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to add a certification of liability in NetSuite. First, locate the vendor or record to which you'd like to attach the certificate of liability. Edit the vendor record. The current vendor form doesn't display the Communications tab where we can upload the file. Let's switch to the standard vendor form to access that tab. Under Communication tab, click the File sub-tab. Click New File. Upload the PDF or scanned copy of the COI. You may want to add a note such as COL expires on, or any other descriptive details. You can select the specific document folder where you'd like to upload the file. Make sure to attach the correct certificate of liability. Click Save to upload the file. You can now see that the certificate of liability is successfully attached to the vendor record, and that wraps up this video. We hope you found this helpful. See you next time.